Hey guys, Pablo here, and welcome to another brand new video. In this one, the project that we're going to discuss is called the Byepix, which is, well, we have seen Metaverse projects. This one is a Super-Metaverse, which I know is going to be confusing in the start, like what the hell is Super-Metaverse? But this is exactly what we're going to break down in this video. The whole concept itself is pretty unique. It has never been done before, so I'm really excited about this. We're going to cover all the details on this project, and yeah, that's what we're going to do know that anything I say is not going to be an investment or a financial advice, so always do your own investigation research. And with this out of the way, let's move straight to the project. Now here we are in the official website of Byepix. We will be learning about this entire project using this website, and I do have other links open, especially their white paper, which is going to come really handy learning about what Byepix actually is and how does it work. They are listed on CoinMarketCap currently. The ICO is ongoing, and we're going to talk about that as well. There's actually kind of like there's a lot of missions involved in this one, and there's a lot of contests that are also involved in this one, and you can earn really good rewards if you are active in the community, and if you are active taking part in these contests and doing those missions. So we're going to talk about that right here as well. So first of all, let's talk about what Byepix is and what Super-Metaverse actually is. So when we talk about Web3, it's not just a concept. It's a whole, I would say, it's a whole construct. It's a whole umbrella. There's a lot of things that comes under Web3 when we talk about it. A lot of the things you may be aware of is the metaverse, play to earn, NFTs, decentralization, having control over the data, over your identity, over your information. There's like no third party, and which is what decentralized it means. There's a lot of things that comes to Web3. Web3 is a whole umbrella. So all the things, like when we talk about metaverse, that's like a part of Web3, which they refer to as Web3, but that isn't entirely Web3. There's like part of the Web3. So there's a lot of things that are involved in Web3. And in this project, in Byepix, every single thing that you have in Web3, you have in this one. And that is why it is a super metaverse. It's like it's a project that you use to create metaverse. It's that kind of a thing, which will be really easy for people to understand if they've been playing games that involve concept of the sandbox or actual sandbox, or Gary's mod, which are games, or Roblox, even Roblox, that those games allow you to create further games within those. So it's kind of like this. You use this and it allows you to create your own games, your own play to earn games, and it lets you and it allows you to convert your game, which is a traditional game, into a play to earn game within hours. So these are just like a few gists and hints on what we have in this one. So it says Byepix is the world's most exclusive Web3 based super metaverse platform developing layer 2 metaverse blockchain, a super metaverse protocol, peer-to-peer protocol, and Metaversification app. Now we do have a lot of information right here on the white paper. It's more easy to understand on their white paper on what it is and what it actually does. It says, besides developing the solutions above, which are mentioned right here, which you already just read, Byepix is currently developing the following to integrate into its game platform creation. So these are the things that we have. First of all, we have the Byepix peer-to-peer protocol, which is a protocol that allows you to turn existing games or new games into play to earn within hours. And it says this protocol will be integrated into our game platform. Then we have the Metaversification application, which is something that we already discussed, which again is something that we already discussed. This application allows like simple users, not experts, simple users to build entire metaverse or games, by just using clicks. So they have the like amazing interface, which is pretty straightforward and has a really good user experience and is beginner friendly and user friendly. So anyone can basically use this to create their own metaverse. Not only this, they're not just working to promote themselves or promote their technology. They're working for the whole Web3, to promote Web3, to endorse Web3, to make it even better, to make it more accessible. And in these efforts, they're also developing the Metaverse Layer 2 blockchain, which which is going to remove all those hindrances and restrictions that the current metaverse projects are facing. So it says it removes all borders and access restrictions in metaverse environments for all users. Byepix removes borders and brings all the metaverse users in the world together. So basically, this being called a super metaverse is because it's, apart from being a metaverse in itself, it allows people, users, to create their own metaverse. It allows people to turn their games or their new games into play, that have the player mechanism. And moreover, they're developing on this, layer 2 blockchain that will be in, kind of like reducing or removing restrictions on all these metaverse projects. And so basically, this project is bridging all the other metaverse that we have around, and that's what makes this a super metaverse. And here, if I talk about the features that we have in the Byepix, first of all, we have the Gems Hunter, the most profitable play to earn and mysterious fun game. So we have a game in it which you can use to earn. We're going to talk about the whole tokenomics of the token and how you get rewarded. And then there's missions, tasks that you can perform and you can earn through those, and not just like in currencies, in-game currencies, but tokens or even NFTs by doing simple tasks. And then we have the virtual lens. Like you can see, when I said that it literally has everything a Web3 has to offer, you have those things in this, and you can see we have those. We have the play to earn, we have the different tasks you can perform, we have virtual lens, you can trade with those as well, you can buy, you can sell, you can rent, and so forth. We have the NFT showroom, so the artists can place their artifacts and masterpiece over there. So there's a whole virtual life. It says a whole new lifestyle is waiting for you to create on the Byepix Life Planet. And NFT marketplace, metaverse, galactic system, like it just goes on. So you can see we have a lot of the things in this one. And currently the amazing feature that we have is that this is something really huge, and right now we are kind of early into it, like not way too early. It would have been a lot better if we were way too early, but a lot of things are already developed. But still, this is currently in the ICO phase, which does imply that we are early, we are in it at a good time, because this is when they are developing, this is when people are getting to know about this project, and they are investors are jumping into it because they know this is going to go really huge. So already investors like jumping into it. And in these cases, we know the quicker that we jump in, the more beneficial it becomes for us. So yeah, this is the opportunity that you have right now. And another opportunity that you have is these things. So if you have completed all of your short chapter tasks, like as you discussed, there's a lot of missions, a lot of tasks you can perform, and you have completed all your daily tasks, and you have taken part in the ICO and have invested $100 or more than $100, then you can take part in this, and you can earn up to more than $4,000, which is really amazing. So this is another feature that you have in this one. And there's a lot of other features that we have to make a profit, to earn. So in the make money by Byepix, so in making money by Byepix section, you can see we have a lot of things in this one. We have a whole affiliate program, so you can use your link you can invite people, you can earn through that. You can earn money by investing. Afterwards, the token price is going to increase based on the potential that it has. It definitely is going to increase, so you can earn through that. You have the play to earn game we already discussed. You can start playing the game, you can earn by performing tasks. So we already have talked about this. This is the social to earn concept. Yeah, so you can see we have a lot of different places where we can earn, and I think there's like way more than what they have listed right here. I think that there's still way more. Then there's other information right here that you can come and check it out. But now let's talk about the token, or the tokenomics. So we have a token that is sitting in the center, the native token of the Byepix, that is empowering the whole economy of this project, which is called Epix. So this is also a governance token. So this gives people right to vote on what happens next in the platform and so forth. And this is it's used in a lot of the things, like almost every operation that takes place on this project is done through Epix, and this is what they're currently having the ICO for. So these are the tokenomics. We have a total supply of 1 billion Epix, and this is how it is distributed. Name is Byepix, total supply is this one, it is 1 billion Epix, symbol is Epix, and it is on the Binance Smart Chain. And there's information regarding the team, and then we have the whole roadmap, and you can see there's a lot of things that we have in this one. So a lot of things are coming in the near future, and right now we have all these things waiting for us in the future. The white paper is really extensive and elaborated, so you can really just come here and take a look at it for yourself. But yeah, I think the whole project is really amazing, and this is just a chart. It's gonna go up like way up, so make sure that you join in as early as you can, because that is when it is going to be the most beneficial. But yeah, I think this is all I wish you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly, so stay tuned. Disclaimer: trading digital assets involve significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and take into consideration your level of experience, investment objectives, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. It is up to you whether to invest or not.